Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box for the month of January. Looks like we got another Simply Earth mold. I'm gonna dig to the bottom so I can get the recipes out to see what this month's box contains. So they always give you stickers. You can use them to list your items you make and your essential oils, which is nice. Body Care 0 to Hero. Make your own face cream. Free guide, coming January 9th, bath bombs. That's fun. We're launching a new line of bath bomb products, including an exclusive line of all natural mica powders. That's cool. Look forward to that. For the recipes, we have a fresh and floral body milk. And that recipe is a little bit longer, so it continues on the back. Then we have Intention Diffuser Blend. Sneak peek at next month's box. It tells us what the essential oils are. There's a Love Blend, ginger, cardamom, and fennel. We have a Clarifying Honey Solid Lotion Bar. I love lotion bars, those are lots of fun. And again, that one does continue on the back. Next up we have a Luxurious Lavender Body Polish. Thought there was two cards there. That one on the back is a note from Katie, who's a recipe formulator at Simply Earth. And a little blurb at the bottom about how they donate 13% of their profits to a human trafficking organization. In January and February, they're supporting Grounds of Grace. Sweet Dreams Natural Lotion. Recipe continues on back for that one. And the very last one is an At Peace Roll-On. This is my favorite card because it gives you all the information about the essential oils that are in this month's box and their general uses and safety. Lots of information on there. So, as our extra little bonuses, we did get a silicone mold, probably the lotion bars. Also have some emulsifying wax. Pack of that. We have some vegetable glycerin. And then our essential oils. First one is oregano. This one is called Sweet Dreams, and let's see what's in there. Marjoram, lavender, cedarwood, Himalayan, and chamomile and frankincense. But that smells really good. Oh, that's labeled with kids on there. Then we have lavender, 4042. And the last one is Peace and Quiet. And that one has sweet orange, frankincense, cedarwood, and lime essential oils. Very cool. Fun little box this month. If you guys would like to join Simply Earth, I have a promo code below that will get you a $45 gift card. And I also have past unboxings as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.